Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can sign up for a ChatGPT account or how you can open a ChatGPT account. So let's go to the browser first. Choose a mail. Now let's write here ChatGPT sign up. Click on this, the first link. After that, you can see login or sign up. Just click on sign up. Now write here the email address. Enter, or you can continue. Put password. Continue. You can save it here. Verify your Gmail. Go in your Gmail, or you can click here. Open Gmail. It will directly go to that link. Find OpenAI. This one, OpenAI. Sorry, not this one. I'm just putting reload again. Okay, let's see. Recent email, I cannot find that email, so I choose this. Okay, I'm not finding here, so I'm going my Gmail account. I can find here, right? Easy. So verify email address, you can see here, right? So click on this, and you have to write here the name, your name, birthday, telephone, okay, now continue. You have to select a phone number. Just put a phone number. Send code. After send code, you have to start a puzzle. You have to move this mouse to the direction what he is saying, like here, not here. Okay, this is perfect, I think. So submit. Now it will be here like this. Submit. Submit. Verification complete. Now you have to put here the code what you have sent in your phone number. Check your phone. Eight 882588. Now you can see it will load and ChatGPT will open in a minute. Next, done. See, your ChatGPT is ready. Now if you ask anything, it will answer. Who are you? I'm ChatGPT. Okay, so your ChatGPT is ready to use. So guys, this is how you can sign up for ChatGPT account. Okay guys, so this if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.